Haven't seen many good videos on this. This is a 06 Saab 93. My fuel door has broken on the flap, and you take the wheel well, the inner fender off. You can see where that rubber thing is holding, and I just stuck a screwdriver in it to get it started on its way out. See if I could do it with one hand. This rubber is pretty strong, but like that. And hopefully I can slide it out without much problem. Alright, soaked everything down with some spray just because it's just plastic. There's a rubber grommet here. Get that out. So I use my knife to get open or get within here and open it so that I could spray penetrant and just move it back and forth when I use a screwdriver to kind of work my way around until I kind of broke the seal. There's one 13mm holding the filler neck on. It bolts right here. Take that out and you can work back your filler neck. At this point I can really see and feel how easy this is to break. It's just rubber and old at that. But yeah, seems like it just needs to fit around this outer rim, however that happens. It seems like it snaps in. Got in there with my hand, pulled towards the front of the vehicle, and you can see one of the tabs there. So let's see if we get the top one, maybe the bottom one. Got the bottom one, come on top. This was not fun. Not hard, but I guess you just gotta know what you're doing. But man, what an animal. So when you're trying to bust them clips out, I kind of rotated this, not when it got free, to be able to get the clips out. And you really just got to catch an angle and work it out to get this back portion where it snaps in. That's how you do it, fam.